Welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. Today I have a quick tip for you that's going to be very useful in classroom management. This is a website that uses the iPad. So what I want you to do is go ahead and go to your iPad, and I want you to open up a web browser. You can use Safari, you can use Chrome, and I want you to type in classroomscreen.com. Okay, now what's cool about Classroom Screen is it has a lot of tools that you might be used to using if you were from a smartboard or before we were using iPads in the district. And so what's great about this is it's really good for classroom management. So at the bottom of your screen, I can change the background. I like to use a background that's pretty generic. Okay, you can also do a random name generator. So if you have the names of your kids saved in there, when you press choose, it's gonna randomize who you choose. That way it keeps it fair. I'm gonna click that to go away. You can do a sound level if you're interested in having it monitor the sound for you. What I like is my drawing tool, because all of a sudden, if I click this button, my iPad that's presenting up on the television becomes a whiteboard. So I can take some notes with all the tools on the left-hand side, or I can do just a little small sticky note one. So if I want to write some notes that I want the kids to remember over here, then I can write those notes and have it up on the board while the kids are at stations. I can also bring up a text box, so maybe some kids are throwing out some ideas. I can just type those notes while the kids are directing me to. I can also work with symbols, so some of the early childhood, if you want to make sure that you have silence up or whisper, ask a neighbor, or work together. So this is some of those expectations during your station time. Okay, you can also have that traffic light up. You guys remember when you were younger, some of the teachers had an actual traffic light where green means that you can talk, yellow means a whisper. Okay, I can also pull up a timer. So I can have my timer up, and so maybe we're working in stations for 2 minutes. This is gonna count down for me. I can also bring up a clock. So what's great is I can have all these different tools up all at the same time, which will help me organize my screen during station time. So now I've got the clock, I've got a timer, I've got my expectations, that's gonna be a whisper voice, and over here on the side, I can maybe model what I want the kids to do, okay, or write them a note. So now all of a sudden my whiteboard has become a media center of all the expectations I have during stations. So this is a really quick tip that you can use that you can just throw up on the board while the kids are at stations or in small group or working independently to kind of set some expectations for the classroom. Hope this quick tip was helpful. See you next time.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.